Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off silent mode on Apple Watch. So if your Apple Watch is on silent, or you just choose to turn on the silent mode on the Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable it. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable silent mode on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and press the control center button just beneath the diagram. Then you'll be taken to the control center page. You can easily find out that your Apple Watch is on silent mode with the silent mode indication close to the iPhone connection at the top. Now to disable or turn it off, just scroll up. Then you should see the silent mode enabled. Now go ahead and click on the silent mode. Then you should see silent mode off. Once you have the silent mode off pop, then just go ahead and click on the control center button once to exit the control center and go back to the watch face, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn off or disable silent mode on Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.